sous chef David. He's ready to make us a special meal today. Go ahead, Dave.
Okay, you got your disc right here. You buy it in the Spanish section in the store. Roll it out, make it a little bigger because they're a little thick. And then you make your filling. The filling's got ground meat, diced potatoes, green olives, onions, peppers, put sazon in it, adobo, whatever you want, really. That's how I like it. Salt, pepper, a little cumin. And then you cook it. I let it cool first. Then fill your disc. See, I think the potatoes are the best part, so try to get a lot of potatoes on each one. Fill it as much as you can, but you want to try to keep a little room so you can seal it. Alright. So, now you got it in the middle, roll it over. Try to keep the filling in the center. Get the ends to touch. Squish them together. As I'm squishing it, I'm making sure there's no meat in that seal there. Otherwise, it'll open up. Then, my mom used a fork to seal it when I was growing up. Works pretty good. Kind of crimp it, and that's it. It's all sealed, ready for the fryer. There you go, empanadas.
All right, sir, what do we have now?
All right, so now I'm trying to get the oil hot. Try to get it up between 350 and 375. You hear that little sizzle?
Yeah.
That means you're good to go. Another way you can test it is you can just take one, put it in a corner. You get a sizzle. See it start sizzling?
Yeah.
Then you're good to go. Drop it in. See that?
Yes, sir.
Now you sizzle, you drop it in. You don't want to put it in and have as soon as you put it in, have a raging boil. So put it in, drop it in away from you. Drop it away from you. So if it splashes, the oil goes away from you. Alright? Start with 2. Then you're going to cook them until they start floating and they get nice and crispy. See they're still sunk?
Yes, sir.
Not ready yet. By the way, if you don't add this, you're screwing up. Sofrito, it's got peppers in it, onions.
Why don't you open it for us?
Cilantro, spices, right? A little tomato product. Like I said, if you don't add that, you fucking messed it up. Alright? See how I'm tapping it a little bit? I can feel that it's still soft. It's getting there, but I want it crunchy, so I'm going to just make sure they're floating. Kind of hit it, make sure they're crunchy. And then once they start getting all these bubbles on there, okay, kind of spin around a little bit. See how they held together? That was a good crimp job. A little while on. Both got a nice golden brown color. Yeah, they look good. They're nice and bubbled up, pimpled. Hey. Good. So I've got this little pan here. Paper towels in for the grease. Look at that. Nice. Held together pretty good. Put it in there so it can soak up that oil. Good. Kind of nice. You hear that? Crunchy. That's what I'm talking about. Perfect.